Melina here. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make an English minced beef. So it's very easy. Mura na siya pareho of sauce sa spaghetti, but there are a lot of additional vegetables that you can add on for this dish. So this is delicious as well, and this is the most typical dish that English people would love to make. So my partner teach me how to make it, so I'm gonna show you as well how to make it. I'm gonna share it with you. Right? So we have our ingredients ready for our English minced beef. So we need 500 grams of minced beef. So it says here 20% of fat. So if you can look for a lesser fat content, that will be awesome. Some they have 10%, some they have 5%, but what we got here now is 20% fat, which is also okay. So 500 grams of minced beef. Alright, you see that? Minced beef. Okay, and I have our own grown like spring onions. I just got some leaves from it, some stalks rather, I think 5 of it, and I'm gonna use this one later in cooking. And then you also need 3 cloves of minced garlic. Okay, we have 3 button mushrooms. So I use white and the brown one, since I need to finish the brown one. And I just slice it, depending on your likeness. If you want to slice it bigger than that, you can also do that. And then I have 1 big piece tomato, where this is already sliced into dice. And I have here 1 big piece of white onion. You can also use red onion. So I have white onion here, and I also slice it. And I have 1 big piece of bell pepper. I also slice it into dice. So we have beef, spring onions, garlic, tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, and bell pepper. And of course, we have our tomato and chili pasta sauce. So this is the sauce that we're going to add later when we cook this one, right? Okay, see this? See it. And same time, we also have the British rapeseed oil for sauteing. We need to have like 2 tablespoons of it. 2 tablespoons is what we need to saute the vegetables. We have salt for taste, and also ground black pepper. And if you want, you can also put a piece of beef broth cubes if you like. Alright, so we have tomato and chili pasta sauce, oil, rapeseed oil, ground black pepper, and table salt. So later we're going to cook, and I'm going to show you the process of how to make English minced beef. Okay, so we will start cooking now. All you need to do is heat your pan on the stove and put a little bit of oil. If you can, just measure it like 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons, depending on the amount that you want. Okay, so that's it. So just spread it evenly. Then let's add the minced garlic. wait until it goes light brown. And then let's add our white onion, chopped onion. Then you can add your bell pepper, and add your sliced tomatoes. Just keep mixing. And let's add our mushroom. Actually guys, this is very easy. And you can also drop a piece of beef cubes. Because later we're going to add our minced beef and have it cooked. Okay, let's add our minced beef, guys. So look at our minced beef, start frozen. But don't worry, that will secret later. Just have to keep mixing. The very first time I tried it, when my partner cooked this one, I find it very delicious, so I asked him to teach me so I can do it my way. So this is what we call an English way of making a minced beef. Alright, so we have to cover it. Let's cover. And you know what, guys? This is best paired with rice. And I'm gonna cook rice later as well. Ooh, lovely. Well, here in the UK, guys, unlike in the Philippines that we always eat rice every day, but here in the UK, you will only eat rice like twice a week. Most of the time, you will only have mashed potatoes, roast potatoes. That's it. they really don't eat rice here. So I think I get used to it as well. And it's nice. Not only you can cut your weight a little bit, because we all know that rice gives us like a little bit weight. Alright? So you just wait for that to cook and then it will separate since this is frozen. So just wait. So after 1 minute, this is how it looks like. And we are now ready to put on our tomato and chili pasta sauce. Smells good. So this is our sauce. We're going to pour it in. Just pour everything. And you can add a little bit of water in here to make sure that you can remove everything. Right, so just mix it. And then we are going to season it with salt and black pepper to taste. And then we're done. Very simple. Okay, so add a little bit of black pepper. Me, I really love black pepper, guys. Trust me. And at the same time, I'm already cooking my rice. This is English minced beef. Alright, so while you're at it, just add a little bit of salt, which you already add, and just add a little bit more to come up with the taste that you like. Then just mix it. And we are going to simmer it for like 1 minute, and it's done. Let's cover it. Alright, so this is our English minced beef. Very easy and economical, good for the family.